Day 3 at Bonneville Salt Flats, and today we are trying to license up to 175. There's a small chance that if I do that properly and we run out above 175 in the last quarter of the time section, that we're going to be able to also qualify to go run with the big boys on the big track, which is where we need to be. So one objective, we've got time on our side today as opposed to yesterday with all the stops. We're up in about 20 minutes. So let's go see how that works out. Say this, cruising for half an hour in the same damn plateau, all the work, I wouldn't do it for anyone. And I would not do it either if we didn't have such a good shot at accomplishing the mission. Now, there's a lot of guys here coming here, and they're like, oh, we hope we can do it. Whereas us is like, pretty sure we're going to do it. And if we weren't, I wouldn't be doing it, what I'm doing at least. Sometimes you just got to belong to something, right? It's a lot of fun. I get that, but it's going to be more fun now that we're a little more relaxed too.
And it's not as hot.
I just knew yesterday we needed to be on track and get that out of the way, and then go back, repair the car, and then the timeline just got stretched, right?
You should take a close-up of the shower curtain.
Next time we come back, it's going to have pins that are like actually tied to the car with little safety wire.
Yeah.
Honestly, so we'll let Teresa know and then we'll talk to the car. Cameras. I'm started right now. Got your suit all good? Yep.
Good, Cal? Top button.
He hit the top button.
Okay, GoPro's live. Good. I'm gonna fire the motor. Got it. Building. How about the record? The weather's good.
That's a, is that a A?
We are rookies and we don't know anything. We're learning by the moment.
Okay.
But I think it's a B license.
Okay, B.
Because it'll qualify me to 250.
Yeah, you're right. Right. But I'll tell them it's a licensing run.
Yep.
They're doing good on you, especially for being rookies.
Yeah, we got.
Getting you all tied in here and getting your runs in.
Yeah, we do a lot of racing at home. Just different.
Yeah.
I
So,
got a good team.
you have your turnover on this track, right?
I have not. Is there anything
Not a whole lot. They redressed the tires last night. Mine's a little bit harder to see because they didn't dress the track. It is a left turn out.
Yep. Well, that's good to know.
Yes, that's why we really. So it is a left. It's a left exit for the push truck on this course. The width has varied quite a bit.
Yep. It looks like it has more grip than the number 3 course has.
Probably.
Yeah.
The last wind report I got, it was a quartering wind from the back between 8 and 14.
Okay.
So it looks like it's died down a little here, but it changes.
Okay.
Especially as you get to about the 3. I'm not sure. That's probably about what y'all are shutting down.
I hope so for this one. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Yeah, you get that license or get that number and then come back up here and I'll sign.
Yeah, I just got to run 176, right?
Right. Yeah, that's one thing that everybody tries to kiss that 199 or whatever. I'm like, why do that?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, but do make sure you get up in there that it averages out enough.
Okay.
Sound good? Any questions?
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Window net?
Yeah.
Okay. Someone's gotta get the.
Car 6666. Car 6666.
175 licensing is out of our way. We're on our way to play with the big boys and hopefully set a record.
Woohoo!
220, here we come.
Here you go.
That means we're going to go play with the big boys.
Nice.
You guys have a great day.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's definitely just a backlash. I'm worried about it. But then it changes when you
So this is how we have to start editing our videos in our little motorhome while we're busy with the guys working on the car.
Well, I know that was a short video, but honestly, it was an amazing day for us. If you haven't been to Bonneville, make sure you go soon. They're trying to save the salt. They're working really hard. This is one of the few collaborations between automotive enthusiasts and the environmentalists to really put an effort to leave this land as pristine as it was 100 years ago. It's a cool place. You've got all sorts of race cars, all sorts of cool hot rods driving around, and it's not really a race, so nobody's really racing against each other. You're really racing against Mother Nature. You're trying to beat the weather, beat the wind, try to find grip on this loose salt surface. And I'm telling you, again, if you haven't been, you need to come. If it's been a long time since you've been and you remember how awesome it was, I would recommend coming back. So tomorrow is our day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hopefully you see us doing some amazing things tomorrow. I'm going to leave it at that.